Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a hot minute. Life has been happening, work has been happening, all sorts have been happening, but what's happening right now is that we have a new home. It's been a long time coming. We literally just got the keys and I thought I'd do a quick sort of empty house tour, if you will, because there's going to be some changes. You know me, I'm an interior designer, so of course it's going to be beautiful. And I'll just kind of quickly talk you through the things that we're going to do, but you know, just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because all the things that are going to be coming up, I'm telling you, you are going to want to see. This is our entrance hall. It's nice and big. We've got 2 kids, so we need a big entrance hall. We've got a cupboard over here. That's just my husband breaking things. I mean, you'll see as we go around, actually. It's a fixer-upper. There are lots of broken things, but actually, we only ever wanted to buy a fixer-upper, so we're quite excited about the challenge that is ahead. Hallway, this is going to be, well, I don't know if it's going to be painted or wallpapered yet, but I'm a wallpaper girl, so that's probably what's going to happen. But through here, we've got a downstairs WC, which I always said, you know, when I grow up, I want a downstairs WC. Yeah, great. And we have one now, so that's really very exciting. Great for morning rushes. We've got a cloak cupboard there, and then nothing really exciting there. Coat cupboard, which, I mean, I have a lot of coats, so they're not going to fit in there, but for the day-to-day stuff, it'll be great. And then coming through into the lounge, I think I'm going to call it a lounge as opposed to a living room. I don't know, I like the sound of that. But this is our lounge. Quite excited about it. It's to be a good size. Fireplace, which is actually a gas fireplace. I'm thinking I might get something reclaimed in there, bring a bit of character to the house, because as you can see, I mean, I think these are kind of mid-century build, so there isn't much character. So it'd be really nice to get something more traditional in there, and then I think we'll probably do alcove bookcases, so I can display all of my books and my objets. There's an understairs cupboard, I won't bore you with that, but then we go through to what is our dining room. So, got the dining room and the kitchen, and eventually we will knock this wall out here and have one big plan, one big open plan, if you will, kitchen and dining room. My husband loves to cook. He is the cook in our house, and he likes the idea of kind of cooking and everyone seeing him and all that sort of stuff. We'll keep the living room separate, not living room, lounge. We'll keep the lounge separate because I do like a separate lounge, but most certainly we'll be opening up the kitchen into the dining room. So on the other side is our kitchen. It is quite big, and actually we wanted a big kitchen for the longest now, so we're feeling quite blessed about having a big kitchen. I don't even know what to say about this kitchen. It is really not very nice. In fact, when we got the keys, we came in, and what we hadn't been able to do before was open drawers and stuff, and this happened. So needless to say, we won't be living with this kitchen for very long. And I'll share with you the designs of the kitchen because it's going to be beautiful. Another grown-up thing I wanted when I bought a house was a laundry room. So, I mean, again, pretty grimy, but it's a laundry room all the same. We've got a window that looks out into the side access to the house. Brand new boiler, which is good because those things are expensive. We'll have to update the radiators and everything anyway, so really excited about having a laundry room. Take you upstairs. Don't tell my husband. So back through into the hallway. Upstairs. Now, breaking news. I say breaking news. What is it? Sneak peek, breaking news, whatever. This is going to be leopard print. I love leopard print, and I am not ashamed to say it. Leopard is a neutral in my eyes, so I figured, you know what, I'm going to live my truth and do what it is. that I want to do in my home, and thankfully my husband is so supportive and has said yes. So yeah, this is going to be I'm calling it my catwalk. So I have a leopard print carpet upstairs. It's going to look chic. It's going to look proper chic. So we've got 4 bedrooms coming through into our eldest's room. It's a weird shaped room, but it's quite light and bright. Actually, we're east facing at the front. It's got a big dormer and sort of like a secret nook around here. But she's really excited about this room. She's told me that she wants like LED lights and all sorts of things, which I'm a bit like, oh my god. But it's their space, and I've said that they can do what they want with it. So under some guidance, of course. But yeah, no, she's really excited about having a nice big room that she can grow up in and grow into, so very excited about that one. Coming into what will be, for now, home office / spare room. Actually a pretty good size room. Nothing really to kind of talk about in here. I think it's a double, so you can get a double bed in here for sure, but my husband and I both work from home some days of the week, so for now this will be our office and my sewing room, because I intend to make all the window treatments for the house, because again, those things are expensive, so I better put my degree to good use, So anyway, that's the office. And then this bedroom is going to be our youngest's. She is mad on unicorns, and I never thought I would be one of those parents, or one of those people, let's say, who does themed bedrooms and stuff, but you know what? I want to be a good parent, so I'm like, you know what, just do it. But I found a really nice chic one, so again, we can do it, but it's got to be good. So yeah, so she's having pink and unicorns and fairy lights and all sorts of things, so very nice. And then principal bedroom, which you might think the other bedroom is bigger, but they're actually the same size, give or take a few centimetres. And we like the idea of being like overlooking the garden as opposed to the road at the front. So that's why we've chosen this as our principal bedroom. But this thing is going, eventually we'll put a new set of wardrobes across here, but for now I've got a really nice antique pine wardrobe which actually holds everything that we need in it, so we'll rip that out and put that in for now until we can save up for the fitted joinery. So yeah, I really like this as a principal bedroom. We've got lots to do, like the light fittings aren't in the centre of the room, so there's all sorts of things that we need to do, but as I said, we were only ever going to buy a fixer-upper, so quite excited. That's all the bedrooms, and then we've got a bathroom which was actually newly renovated, so we're not going to do anything in here. There it is. We're not going to do anything in here. We're not going to do anything in here, just a lick of paint, so it's quite good. Neutral tile. Again, this will change, and I will be sharing all of my designs and plans for the house as we go along. But yeah, I just thought I would give you a quick blast around the house so you can see what we're in for, and hopefully join us on our journey.